Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how you can use React into your current Laravel project. I will create a new folder, name it anything you like React Laravel. Then I will create a Laravel project because I do not have any current Laravel project. Yeah, it's done now. Let's run it. PHP artisan serve. Okay, it is working. Now open this Laravel project into your favorite code editor. Oh, I also have to install node modules. Npm install. Now I will edit webpack file and add React support using mix.react. Give your React source and destination. Source will be your React source file and destination will be your compiled JS file. Directory. Okay, now create source file. First I will create React folder inside JS and add index.js file. Now write React code. Why this autocomplete is not working? Oh, I forgot to install React packages. Npm install React and React DOM. I will also do an npm run watch for watching our changes. Okay, now write some more React code. Now add our routes to web.php, which is test. Now I will create our view file and write some HTML code into that. And include our React output file. And also create a root DOM element. Now go to our route, test. As you can see, our React is working. For more testing, I will create one more component, which is app component, and write some more React code into that. Yeah, this is also working. Please ignore typing mistakes. As you saw, it is very easy to add React into your Laravel project. Just one line into a webpack file and everything will be done. That's it. Thanks for watching.